Hello everyone, welcome to another DIY video. So let's see what things we need. I'm using a clay glass like this. You can use pots as well. Put a hole with hammer and nail, but be very gentle and very careful or you will end up breaking it just I did with the first one. Okay, so I have started painting it. In the next step, I am using the handmade paper and going to cut out bird-shaped portions from this. Here's the body and the wings. Keep adding the glue to the edges and stick the two parts together. Now keep adding little cotton step by step. Use brush or a stick to spread the cotton evenly inside it. After this, add the wings. Don't worry about the excess glue on the edges. I'm gonna cut them out with scissors. In the last step, I'm using needle and thread. Now I am using ghungroos or you can use small bells. This is for decoration. Tie a knot with this. These ghungroos will be inside of the glass. So when winds come, there will be a sweet sound you can hear every time. And lastly, add everything together with a thread. Decorate as you like. I hope you're gonna enjoy this video. Like, share and do not forget to subscribe. For today, bye bye.